behind the first layer of glass in the windshield. What we're going to try and do today is remove all of the air and replace it with a resin that's stronger than the original glass. In order to do this repair, first we'll make sure there's no loose glass laying around the pit that might get in the way of our repair. Just lightly move the pick around the pit area, and anything loose will just fall away. Our next operation is to mount the injector box pit area, the impact point, to be right in the center, counterclockwise, all the way to the mechanical stop. This creates a vacuum. The air is now moving. Watch the repair over the repair to cure it while it's under pressure. This should take approximately 1 to 1.5 minutes. Halfway through the curing time, move it to the bottom side. We'll make one more application of the two tabs that are located on either side of the suction cup together, and at the same time roll the injector down so that we don't lose our resin. And that's done like this. Okay? The final step in the technique for doing this is to put a small drop of pit filler right in the opening of the glass and roll down the curing film over that pit. Apply the curing lamp for approximately 1 minute. After approximately 1 minute, remove the lamp. Remove the curing film. If your pit filler is cured properly, it should make a slight tearing sound. Holding the razor blade perpendicular to the glass, not at an angle, not pushing the pit filler off of the glass, but holding it perpendicular and scraping back and forth across the surface. We want to make a flat, smooth surface that won't interfere with the wipers. Turn it over, and the amount left on your finger is adequate. Put it on the edge of the wheel. On low speed, polish the pit. When we've completed our pit polishing process, clean the customer's windshield, and there you have our completed repair with ever so slight a blemish